Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account type and backing up the calendar so you can revert if needed. Check network access, VPN, and server health. Unstable connectivity breaks sync. Once done, clear local sync cache and restart Outlook. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure autosend/receive is enabled and sync interval set to a short value while troubleshooting. If multiple profiles exist, select the problematic one and keep a log of error messages to guide the next steps. You now perform deeper fixes. Repair the account from account settings to refresh server tokens and credentials. If that fails, rebuild the offline file, rename the OSD to Force Recreation or Run Scampst. EXE on a PSD to fix corruption. Meanwhile, examine calendar permissions and shared calendars. Incorrect rights can block events. Once the offline file is rebuilt, disable add-ins that modify calendars and test sync on a single device to isolate. You finish by re-adding the account or creating a fresh Outlook profile when rebuilding fails. This clears persistent config errors. After re-adding, force a full resync by removing device access or revoking refresh tokens in your account portal, then sign back in. Make sure server and device time zones match, since time mismatches prevent correct event mapping. If sync still fails, check mailbox quotas and server logs, and escalate with the exact error text. Support teams need that detail to resolve stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.